Now, let us get back to our cleaning of clothes especially. How do we do it? With soaps and detergents. And what do they contain? They contain washing soda. Washing soda is also a carbonate, but it is only a carbonate, not a hydrogen carbonate. Plus 10 molecules of water. What does that mean? Is it wet? This is the water of crystallization, which means so many number of water molecules are associated with one molecule of a particular salt. We will study that later. So, in the case of washing soda, it has many uses. It is used in soaps and detergents. It is also used in glass industry. It is a cleaning agent. You can show these 10 molecules of water if you take sodium carbonate in a test tube and heat it. So, what we will find is water drops at the test tube. This shows that water molecules are associated with sodium carbonate. Not only with sodium carbonate, they are also associated with other salts, example copper sulphate. Copper sulphate has 5 molecules of water. What is the color of copper sulphate? It is called in common language Neela Thotha. Why Neela? Because it is blue in color, blue vitriol. Now, this copper sulphate is also called, so if we heat it, not only we get water drops, the blue color changes to white. If you again sprinkle some water on that white copper sulphate, it turns blue. So, the blue color is due to the presence of water molecules. But be careful, copper sulphate is poisonous. Because it is poisonous, it has many uses also. It is used as a fungicide or the pesticide, but one has to be careful because it is poisonous even for the human beings. In the case of calcium sulphate, which is called gypsum, gypsum is CaSO4. Now, when this calcium sulphate is heated at 373 K, then what do we get? We get calcium sulphate and half molecule of water, while here we have 2 molecules of water. So, this is called calcium sulphate hemihydrate. Now, how have we used this? We have used it for making POP, that is plaster of Paris. When water is added to plaster of Paris, it becomes a thick paste, and as it dries, it becomes hard, and that is why the surgeons use it when you have fractured your leg or arm. When I say you, I do not really mean you. Anybody, whether it is a child or an adult, due to an accident, if there is a bone fracture, then we do not want bone to move. Not only it is very painful, it will not heal. So, what is done? The limb is put in a cast, and that cast is made up of plaster of Paris. It is not only for writing get well soon, it is also for setting your bone. So, what happens? That calcium sulphate on heating forms hemihydrate, and on adding water it again becomes calcium sulphate.